Hey, hi guys, Chinmay here. Welcome to Upskillian. So in this particular interview question, let's discuss about what is enable and disable load in Power Query. Okay. So remember guys, by enabling a load, which is a by default option that's present, the query is loaded to the next level. That is Power Pivot, right? So we can disable the load if required by right clicking on the Power Query option. So let's see this practically. Let's head over to my laptop. So as you can see guys, I am in Power BI, right? Now if I have to go to Power Query, where do I need to click? I need to click here, right? In the transform data option. So let me click on transform data and it takes me to Power Query. As we all know, Power Query always opens in a new window, right? In a separate window. Okay. Now, if you see, these are the different queries that I have: orders, people, returns, right? Now, if I right click on any of this query, you see a bunch of options here. Okay. And one of those option is enable load. This is a by default option present. For example, if I go to people also, I could see the enable load checked in, right? So if there's a tick mark here, which means this is enabled. Okay. If I go to returns also, I see this is by default enabled. Okay. Now if I go to orders again and try to click on this enable load, see what happens. So there is a warning that comes that says that disabling the load will remove the table from the report, and any visuals that it uses, the columns will be broken or the visuals will be broken. So basically Power BI is warning you that if you disable the load for this particular query, it will not move to the next level, that is Power Pivot, and it will be stopped here only. So what will be the result of this? If you have created or developed some visuals based on this table or query, that will be broken. Okay. So let's click on continue and see what happens. So see guys, the very moment I clicked on continue, you could see that the font of orders has changed to italics, right? So wherever you see a italics font, remember that's where the load is disabled. This is a very good way of identifying which queries have load enabled and which queries have load disabled. Okay. Now by disabling the load, what happens? Let's see that. So I'll go here and click on close and apply. So when I click on close and apply, you could see that towards the right side, I do not have the orders table. Why? Because the load was disabled from Power Query. So guys, this particular option is a very useful option for optimizing the reports. If there are such tables or queries which you do not require, it's always preferred to disable that to optimize the reports, which means your reports would perform better. So as you can see guys, when we disable the load for the table, it did not move to the next level, that's Power Pivot, right? So it's a very important step to optimize the reports. So whenever being asked in interview that what all steps have you taken to optimize the report, this could be one of the steps that you can tell the interviewer. Also, for queries which are not needed, instead of deleting that, we prefer to disable the load. Why? Because if you delete a query, it's totally gone. Any transformations that you have done on that particular query or table, everything is gone. So it's always preferred to disable the load instead of deleting that altogether. I hope you got to understand what happens when you enable the load or disable the load, right? Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you loved this video. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to Upskillian, and if you want more such videos, please put it in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.